guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hilary Shah, that aesthetic chick. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys wedding hairstyles, wedding guest hairstyles. So let's get started with the video. Before that, this video is gonna be in two parts. One would be hairstyles and second would be cooking part. So if you don't want to watch hairstyles, you can directly skip to cooking part or vice versa. So let's get started with the video. So guys, let's start with the first hairstyle. Here I am making a bun. So for that I need a center partition. After the center partition, I need two partitions on each side. I am basically separating long and short hair. After that I am taking all the long hair behind and just combing it for a nice finishing, because the bun would be messier, so I think this finishing will look nice. Now just twist the hair and make it in a bun. The messier the bun, the beautiful it looks. Now let's secure it with a rubber band. Make sure it is tight enough to not open up. And wow, it's ready. So now let's move towards the front hair. Pick out a hair and just twist one by one as shown in the video. Don't worry if it gets messy. The messier it is, the beautiful it will look. Just make sure you divide your hair into 3 to 4 parts minimum to give a nice look. Secure it well with pins or else it would come out. Now take the remaining hair and just twist it around your bun. So now twist the hair that you have left open. This is optional but it gives a better look. I personally love it and I do it in every hairstyle if I've left my hair open. And yeah, it is ready. I hope you like this first hairstyle. Now let's move on to the second one. In the second hairstyle, I am repeating the same center partition. Basically in this hairstyle, I am making a half bun. So for that, I need more hair in the front, and so I am taking the line behind the ear so that I get more hair in the front to make my half bun. So in this process, I am repeating the same. I am taking all my hair and I am just twisting them nicely and neatly. This has to be very neat because behind it will be messy, so front has to be very neat. And just make sure you take all your hair near the ear and not leave anything. Take a pin and secure your hair. Put 2 to 3 pins to not move it at all. And if you can see how neat it looks, if you want you can straighten your hair a bit to settle it down so that they look good and beautiful. We don't need messy hair here at all. I am repeating the same thing on the second side. If you can see, I am taking all my hair. I am not leaving anything there. Sorry if this video is not a bit clear to you, but let me explain it to you. So basically what I am doing is the hair which I twisted in the front, I took them at the back and I am just twisting those hair like we did in the last one. In the first hairstyle, we took all the hair and twisted it to make a bun. Here I am taking two partitioned hair and making a bun out of it. It is the same process as before. So make sure you secure your bun with 2 to 3 pins minimum so that it stays in its place and it doesn't move at all. And wow, just look at it, how beautiful it looks. It looks like a rose in your hair. And even the front looks so beautiful, so neat. I am just loving it. So in the third hairstyle, I have done side partition. In this, take few strands of your hair from the front and rest just comb it back. This will help you to make your hairstyle better from the front. Now just take one strand and twist it and secure it with the pin. We don't have to do it all together. Do the same thing on the second side, but we are just taking one strand and pinning it, so you don't need to make partitions. You can just take roughly and do it. And yeah, we are ready with our third hairstyle also. So we are done with wedding video now, wedding hairstyles video. So now let's get into the cooking video. Today we are making sorted vegetables. It is a very healthy recipe and people who are following a particular diet can definitely try it. So let's get started. We have bell peppers, broccoli stems, chilies and onions. Along with it we have some seasoning and sauces, salt, sesame seeds, garlic paste, soya sauce, ghee, take 3 tablespoons of ghee. You can use butter or oil, but ghee is healthier option and it also tastes good. Later add some chilies to it and wait for it to pop up. Afterwards add onions. Mix it well so that onions are separated and ghee is spread all over. I am adding 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, half teaspoon garlic paste. I am mixing it well and leaving it on gas until it turns brown. Here I am adding broccoli stems to it because even they take a lot of time to get cooked. So I will cook them also until they turn brown. They are brown, so I have added broccoli to it, and now I'll add the 2 bell peppers to it. So broccoli, bell peppers, they don't take much time to get cooked since we are eating sauteed vegetables. So I'll just give them a nice mix. And to it I will add 1 tablespoon of ghee. half teaspoon of salt, some mixed herbs. Make sure you add salt accordingly as mixed herbs also contains salt, and 1 cup of soya sauce. That's it. Now I'll give a nice mix to it. If you don't eat onion and garlic, you can still make the same recipe. It will taste equally good. I am here adding some more sesame seeds. This is optional, totally your choice and according to your taste. Mix it well that everything is spread equally. And yes, it's ready. It is very healthy, very nutritious, at the same time very tasty. Also you can add paneer to it to make it protein based, else this is healthy even this way.